as an adult, sometimes uh, we need to work through, we need to gain mastery over ourselves, our mindset, our thought process, which have been created because of certain level of stuckness, stagnancy in emotions that we had to we had to create in our earlier days, because that was the the most obvious thing to do to survive sometimes, is to kind of hold back on the emotions and to compensate for what the situations were. What happens is we tend to continue that kind of behavior, thought process, even in our adulthood. It's a choice, it's a very very um, mindful choice. With full awareness, we need to make that choice, that do we want to still continue compensating, masking our emotions. So that requires that thing, that shift, that okay, now I am an adult, I don't need to um, you know be in the shell. I need to hide my emotions, only then I'll be accepted. um, People will consider me as too much, because just because they cannot attune to our emotions, they cannot handle emotions because of their own traumas. So it's a choice that as an adult we need to make, which kind of gives opportunity for the inner self, our inner child, to feel safe. And that is something that's not like happens once or twice. You need to kind of create that mastery, by doing that same process of being our own safe haven, or also kind of uh, being courageous enough and sharing our emotions, our ideas, our thoughts with others in a way, knowing that it's absolutely right thing to do, and it's absolutely safe. I will be accepted, I will be not shunned away or shamed for doing so. So we need to grab such opportunities, and we need to make that communication, convey the emotions. When we do that, that's when we you know go to new places. That's when we go to whether it may be going to other countries,